Welcome to today's channel. My name is Miss Hickman and I'm going to talk you through your Ali-Mals light project. Okay. So as you can see, we are going to be working on bigger sheets of paper. You will be working on A3. I am actually currently working on A2 here. Your project will be laid out in sections. So we're going to look at the moment, I am drawing in 2D. So your first initial ideas. Okay, so from here I'm just going to do a few more 2D designs, so you sit back and watch. Okay, so in this section I'm just experimenting with different folds. I'm currently drawing the A5 sheet of aluminium that you'll all be given. This next section is looking at layering up your 0.5 aluminium just to support as you are cutting out with some hardboard. Development net will then be drawn with fine marker pen onto the aluminium sheet. Okay, going on to the last section, looking at drawing the Ali-Mal in 3D. Here I draw 3 more animals, so sit back and enjoy the rest of the tutorial.